This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating or importing the workbook so you can work immediately. Open Google Drive and choose New, then Google Sheets. If you have an Excel file, pick File, Import, Upload, and Convert. Once done, rename the file and confirm locale and time zone so date and currency formats behave predictably. Make sure to set default font and grid settings now. This saves formatting work later and prevents messy conversions when you import complex Excel files. You now structure the workbook for clarity and performance. Create separate sheets for raw data, calculations, and final reports, and use named ranges so formulas stay readable. Add data validation to prevent entry errors and conditional formatting to surface issues quickly. When calculating, prefer array formula for arrays, index plus match over fragile VLOOKUP, and use query for SQL-like summaries. Also, freeze header rows and hide intermediate sheets to keep the report layer clean and fast for collaborators. You finish by preparing the file for others and final delivery. Set share permissions explicitly, add commenters for review, and use version history to label milestones before major changes. Export via file download as Excel or PDF for distribution, and publish or schedule emailed exports if required. If something breaks, the main troubleshooting step is to refresh imported ranges, confirm spreadsheet locale and date parsing, and reevaluate named ranges. This usually resolves conversion and formula errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.